No, that should do it.
All right. Would you like us to mail you your certificate, save you the trip in?
No, I'll come and get them.
All right. Thanks so much.
Equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a severe weather warning or other events that could threaten your safety, you would have heard an alert tone followed by official information or instructions. WGLQ-FM serves the central Upper Peninsula area. This concludes this monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.